What's up, guys? How's it going? So this week I made a statistical analysis of the correlation between a college football team's win percentage and that college football team's stadium attendance. And I looked at 10 years worth of data going back to 2007. And basically what I was looking for is how good is a team's win percentage at predicting that team's home stadium attendance for that given season. And what I found was that certain teams were really reliant on having good seasons that year in terms of win-loss ratio in order to bring more fans to their stadium. So, for example, a couple teams that stood out were like Baylor, West Virginia, and Pitt. So all three of these schools really relied on having good seasons over the past 10 years in order to drive fans to their stadium. And I think this is like a super interesting business insight for any college football marketing staff to have for a couple of reasons. So I think the first big reason is that college football marketers and fan engagement people, they're always trying to figure out like what it is that's bringing people to their stadium. So anytime you can get like a percentage on like X percent of the variation in stadium attendance for this season is going to be based on how good the football team performs. Anytime you can get that kind of information, it's going to vastly help you in allocating resources to certain things. So, for example, a school like Baylor might really want to invest in recruiting resources and having good coaching staffs because those two things are highly predictive of a good win-loss percentage. And a good win-loss percentage for those types of teams is going to be highly predictive of more fans being in your stadium for that year. So when teams can get their hands on this data, it helps them have a better idea of both how they're going to perform that season in attendance and how they can use those numbers to allocate their resources more effectively. So that's what I have for this week. Thanks for watching.